So right here we have an oil seal. This is located at the gear where we install our drive shafts. The previous one was leaking, so we're going to install this new. So if you can see clearly, you can see the port where we are going to be installing it. So this is our seal. As you can see, there are numbers over here, so you have to be very cautious not to buy an oversized or a small size seal. So these numbers usually direct you on which or that's the size of. Siweke flashlight. Oh, so this is where you install it, and you have to be very careful while dealing with seals not to damage them, because they are very, as you can see, they are made out of rubber which can tear down easily.